putting CUDA on GeForce, that was a strategic decision that was very, very hard to do because it cost the company. Okay, so the first step that we took beyond acceleration was we invented the programmable pixel shader. So that was the first step towards programmability. It was our first journey towards moving into the world of computing. The second thing that we did was we put FP32 into our shaders. That FP32 step, IEEE compatible FP32, was a huge step in the direction of computing. It was the reason why all of the people who were working on stream processors and other types of data flow processors discovered us, and they say, hey, all of a sudden, we might be able to use this GPU that's incredibly computationally intensive, and it's now compliant with IEEE.
Mm-hmm.
I can take my software that I was writing previously on CPUs, and I can see about using the GPU for that, and which led us to put C on top of FP32, we call CG. That CG path took us to eventually CUDA. CUDA, step by step, putting CUDA on GeForce, that was a strategic decision that was very, very hard to do because it cost the company enormous amounts of our profits, and we couldn't afford it at the time. But we did it anyways because we wanted to be a computing company. A computing company has a computing architecture. A computing architecture has to be compatible across all of the chips that we build.